Hi everyone, this is Shanta. I wanted to talk about my new project that I built. Now ChatGPT generates images a lot better than before. Now within a few seconds, you can get your images transformed into Studio Ghibli-like image or 3D version of you. But notice that it still doesn't work that well when it comes to generating videos, which brings me to my new project VAI, and it's a short form for Video AI, and this is a video generator GPT where you can ask any questions. It will work exactly quite similar to GPT, but you can also ask something different, like you can ask it to create a video for you. Like for example, here I asked to create a 30-second ghost story from Reddit, and it will start creating your video. It takes quite a long time to get this done, so I will show you how it works in the backend. For the front end, I use React, TypeScript, and TailwindCSS. For the backend, I used Python, MoviePy for downloading and merging and encoding the video, and I used Node.js Express to get my endpoints. I used Gemini and OpenAI both because I have some what if I have request limits, so I try to use both LLMs. And I used Pixels, and I use Pixabay and Coverr to get my videos. And
Prepare
yes,
to be chilled to the bone as we delve into the darkest corners of Reddit, unearthing terrifying tales that will leave you questioning reality itself. Our first story.
well, for the voiceover, I used Google's text-to-speech, and yeah, they have improved it quite a lot. So I really like this voiceover that I chose, and it can generate any videos, topics that you would like to be generated. The scripts that the LLM generates works quite well, but not the video clips because there are like limited number of video APIs that I use. Maybe I need to add more, or maybe I need to change the algorithm behind how it fetches the related videos. But overall, it works quite well right now.
Get ready for a story so unbelievably clumsy, you'll be laughing for days. Picture this: a perfectly ordinary grocery.
Some blockers, though, as you can see, uh, the aspect ratio doesn't quite align with some of the videos or many of the videos. That's because there are like limited amount of videos for certain keywords that I provided the backend. So that's why it doesn't work quite well. So maybe I need a better video APIs, or I need to include more APIs to this so that it performs better. Maybe I need to change the algorithm, but that's my progress so far. And if you have any feedback, please do let me know. I appreciate each and every feedback, and it really helps me to improve. Thank you for watching so far. I really appreciate that.